Hello, this is Mr. Kent of MrKent.com, and recently I received this, which has reflectors in it, and it's these reflectors are made to fit my Bebop drone. These are provided by Christopher Smith. He's a well-known and respected member of the Bebop community. He has them available for a small price, and they're what they are is they're a spin-off from the space program, because what they do is they reflect really well LED lights like you have on your phone. You know, if you take your phone and you hit this part here and you turn the light on, and you got this bright light, and I don't know if it'll show too well here, but anyway, these are excellent. And so why would you want one of these? Let me turn off my light here. Why would you want one of those? Because every cell phone has a flashlight. I mean, you know, the ones nowadays. And the ones I used to have, they were just a telephone. But anyway, so I will lay that over there and put this over here. And what these are made, they're made like they can fit right there on all four legs of your Bebop. They can also fit right along the edge, and you can also put them on the battery, because these are going to go to my brother in Western Washington. He has everywhere in Western Washington there is underbrush, and here in Arizona, if my drone goes down, it just shows up really good because the ground is red and the drone is black, and I don't have too much trouble locating. But if your drone goes down and you've got underbrush and weeds and you can't find it, well, you just take your flashlight out there at night, take something like this, and it's nice and bright. Anyway, just take your phone, but take a flashlight out at night and flash it around, and these things will show up. Like I said, they're very well designed, and they're cut to shape to fit your drone. You can also put it on, any drone, or like I have some fixed wing aircraft, RC planes, and I could put them on them. And but in my brother's location, I mean, there's just underbrush everywhere, so it would be a lot easier for him to find his drone if it goes down. He's got a couple of them, and if it goes down in the brush, you just go out when it's starting to get dark, and you can probably find it. And I'll put the contact information in the description below, but you can also put these, like, for instance, sometimes we have a hard time finding our cat when a cat gets outside and we can't find her. So put some of these on the collar, and she's behind a bush somewhere hiding from us, and we can find her. And same thing with the dog, if you have a dog like that. Or you could also put them on your car keys, and if you drop your car keys or you can't find your car keys, just turn on your little phone and look around the house for the reflection. Work on house keys. Or if you have a basement and the light switches down in the basement, you can shine the light down, see the switch. All kinds of uses that you can probably think of. But these are provided by Christopher Smith. He's a neighbor, lives over in Texas. And so I think probably it'd be worth checking into that. So that's what I've got to say on this video. Is if you want reflectors for your Bebop so you can find it when it gets lost, these would work. They would be an excellent solution. And I want to thank you for watching, and God bless you.